Guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna learn the move, the angle flip. This is a very easy flip that pretty much everybody can do, even though you cannot do another flip. So let's get into it. For this one, it kind of helps if you can do Makaku, it kind of helps if you can do the kip up, and it kind of helps if you can do either the head flip or the front handspring. But you don't need any of them. If you can't, it's not really a problem. This is probably more easy than all those moves, right? So what you're going to learn is first you're going to start with the legs standing a little bit wide. And I'm going to choose today my right arm. If you feel your left arm is better, that's totally up to you. You have to sort of experiment which arm is the best for you. And I'm going to place it where my left leg is, right? So my right arm goes where my left leg is. I'm going to simply place that on the floor like this. I'm going to keep my arm completely stiff and step around with the foot and land like that. See, that's super easy. Let's also step back the same way, like that, so you can actually get out of that position. So that's easy enough, right? So let's do it again. You go down, you place your hands. Actually kind of how you enter the power move. For me, that's the other way than a normal power move. That's actually kind of how you do the power move entrance, right? And then you simply flip around like that. Now we're going to jump a little bit more with both legs and try to flip all the way so that I face the camera. So my hand is placed and I flip towards the camera. Now once you reach this position right here, I want you to place both hands forward like this, and you want to sort of land in that sit position kind of. So if you leave your hand on the floor, this is impossible. So once your feet touch, or right before your feet touch, you just simply place both your hands forward. Just put your weights forward and you will simply land it like this. So this can also be a footwork move, by the way. I did explain this somewhere. You can simply place your hand there and flip over and land sort of in that footwork position. So from your footwork you can use this if you want, but it's not really necessary. Today it's about the flip. So we stand right here. You're going to place the hand and flip. So once you can do this, and it's not too hard to do, I hope, we can simply jump a little bit more around, but a little bit more up, and you jump a little bit more. And then try to get the timing down then when you let go with the hands and put both hands to the front. But it's in effect super easy. So place my hands, flip around and place the hands. Kind of looks like an angled, messed up front handspring, right? So once we get this fully down, all we have to do is jump all the way over our arm. But this is really, really easy because the arm is the pivot point. You just leave your arm and flip over it. Once you can do it around, you slowly bring it to the top if you cannot do it straight away yet. And just flip all the way around. That looks like this. So you flip like that, right? Super easy. I feel everybody can do that easy. And you can work with this super easy in your footwork style or just as a flip. It's both fine, right? So instead of, like, it's not a real front handspring obviously because that's straight, but this is angled, which I kind of like. Now, that's actually it. It's a super easy move. You can use the momentum of bringing your body down to get a little bit more power. You can actually jump off. Try to go straight to the front, but it is angled, which is kind of a nice effect if you like it. So it's angled, but you jump to the front like that and land like that. It's super easy, guys. Now, real quick, you can make this a lot harder for yourself or a really weird flip, but you don't use your hands. Basically you need a lot more power for this, and it actually kind of feels like you enter really weirdly and then try to do a front flip. So you do this, and from this position where normally my hand goes on the floor, I sort of try to do a front flip. Now this is a really weird feeling. It's also sort of a really weird, without the hands you will really make a weird motion, but it's kind of cool. So you do that sort of, right? So it's like a little bit of a weird flip. And alternatively, what you can do is it's sort of a weird rise move, I guess, but you can land on one leg, which looks like this. So you land on that leg. So there's many possibilities to play once you master the one with the hand. But I feel the one with the hand very easy to play with. And like I said, it's also sort of usable, of course, in footwork. So if you're in footwork, you just place that hand and flip over, land in the CC position, continue. So very usable, very easy. Go practice it if you don't have it yet, and I'll see you next time.